everyone, welcome to Varuna Garden. Today I want to show you about harvesting salvia seeds. So you can see here, these are the red salvia flowers and I grow them from seeds. And the best part about this flower is that you can harvest its own seeds. So this is a flower and you can see I'm going to harvest the seeds. I just pluck the flower and so these are actually white, so this is not yet mature. You need to get black seeds. So let's see if we can get from this. Okay, so these are also not yet mature. Okay, so I found one more flower. So let's try harvesting the seeds from this. Oh yes, I got them. Oh yes, lucky me. So these are two flowers and you can see black. So these black seeds are the salvia seeds. So you can harvest your own seeds, save them up if needed, and you can use some fungicide on this, and that way you can preserve these seeds. So that's it guys, it's as simple as that. Now you can harvest your own salvia seeds. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this with your friends. Happy gardening! Bye! Oh, start. Stop.